breaking news coming in. Comedian Bharti Singh and her husband Harsh Limbachia have been remanded to judicial custody for 14 days. The two have applied for bail. The hearing for the same will be held tomorrow. Bharti, in the meanwhile, has been taken to Kalyan jail, while Harsh is lodged at Taloja jail. Yesha, my colleague, getting us the latest on the very same. Over to you, Yesha.
So this morning, Bharti and Harsh both were taken to Sion Hospital for medical and COVID tests, following which they were both here at around 12:30. Ever since then, they've been in. However, their hearing is now over, and the special public prosecutor who came out confirmed to us that Harsh and Bharti have both been sent to 14 days of judicial custody, of which Bharti will now be taken out from this particular Killa court and taken to Kalyan jail, and Harsh will be taken out from here and taken to Taloja jail. Now, both of these people who will be in judicial custody for 14 days, however, their advocate has applied for a bail, and the bail hearing will come up tomorrow in the special holiday court. This development comes as one particular drug peddler who was arrested a day prior had mentioned that Bharti and Harsh had consumed drugs, of which both have now agreed that they had consumed drugs, and 86.5 grams of marijuana, of cannabis was recovered from their house. However, Harsh had also in the NCB custody agreed that he was involved in the transportation of drugs. What we got to know was under the NDPS Act, they've been charged under Section 27 and Section 20B. However, the other two drug peddlers, one has been sent to the judicial custody, the other has been sent to police remand for the next 3 days, which clearly means that NCB is still trying to get some more information from these drug peddlers, which could mean that some bigger names would come up going further to understand as to who else was taking drugs from them. Bharti and Harsh's name has come up as a part of the larger drug nexus, which the NCB is trying to understand, which has started right from Sushant Singh Rajput's death case, because this case is also a part of the 1620 case, wherein there were several other celebrities who were called. Now, what we see is, while they've been sent to the judicial custody, NCB is still trying to understand from these
that more names could emerge in the days to come. Meanwhile, let's also listen into what Sameer Wankhede of the NCB had to say.
Wankhede sir, would you like to comment on the arrest of Harsh Limbachia?
Let's talk about Harsh, no?
सर चार्जेस इम्पोर्टेंट है सर, चार्जेस एक बार बता दीजिए। हाँ सर, हिंदी में